What is the avalanche effect in cryptography? In this video, we will try to understand that. The avalanche effect is a desirable property in cryptographic algorithms as per which if a single bit of plaintext is changed, several bits of the ciphertext will change. And as per the strict avalanche criterion, if a single bit of the input plaintext is flipped, then each output bit of the ciphertext will change with 50% probability. This avalanche effect is desirable in cryptographic algorithms like block ciphers or cryptographic hash functions. If a cryptographic algorithm does not exhibit the avalanche effect, then a cryptanalyst can analyze the ciphertext and make predictions about the plaintext. So, the avalanche effect is significant to prevent cryptanalysts from making predictions about the input partially or entirely. In practical scenarios, bend functions are used to satisfy the properties of the avalanche effect. A bend function is a type of Boolean function which is maximally nonlinear. In other words, it is difficult to approximate a bend function by an affine or linear function. As a result, linear cryptanalysis becomes difficult. And as one cannot detect what change has occurred in the plaintext from observing a change in the ciphertext, differential cryptanalysis also becomes difficult. Hence, the avalanche effect is desirable in cryptographic algorithms like block ciphers and cryptographic hash functions. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Body or refer to the book Cryptography and Public Key Infrastructure. The Security Body also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.